Guys, we're gonna make dinner that is under $10. So first we're gonna add some oil. We're gonna saute the onion, garlic, pork mince that is like $5. This recipe can actually feed like at least 7 people. Some pepper, some salt. Once the meat is slightly brown, we're gonna add the green bean. These kind of green beans, we call this in the Philippines Baguio beans. We're gonna add some soy sauce. You can add some oyster sauce if you want more flavor. But in our recipe, we only add soy sauce. Only gonna cook it for about 5 minutes. And that's it. You don't have to really cook it for a long time. Only like 10 minutes maximum. And here is our dinner. Pork with green beans. Ang sarap. Papaparami ka ng rice nito. Here's my rice. Yum. Let's eat, guys.